Python modules. I will explains about these topics. Number 1. Renaming the module. 2. Python from import statement. Number 3. Import all names. 4. Python package, libraries. And finally, number 5. The examples of Python libraries. Modules refer to a file containing Python statements and definitions. We do not also have to write Python code from scratch to accomplish certain tasks. Python is having several inbuilt modules that are already coded to perform some task, and we can easily use these modules to accomplish our task without us coding these functionalities from scratch. Let's see an example here. Define function name add for parameter a and b. This is an example of Python module that contain of Python statement and definition. Result is equal to a plus b, return the result. For a equals 2 and b equals 5. When execute, it return the value from that calculation. Example number 2. Define function name call for parameter principal, rate and time. It will do calculation from the parameter and return the value. When we call that function name, it will proceed with the function calculation and return the value. Here is an example number 3. We can import statistics module and use the module inside the statistics after do statistics import. Here are the list of statistics module. We can use the name in the list to do a coding. Topic number 1. Renaming the module. Here the example of renaming the module statistics as S and call the S as a short and more easily to call the name. Two. Python from import statement. If we don't want to import the entire module, we can import specific names as per our requirement. Three. Import all names. We can also import all names at once without importing them one by one. We can use the dir directory function to find out names that are defined inside a module. Four. Python package, libraries. What if you want to put several modules together? That's when packages come to the picture. A package is basically a directory with Python files and a file with the name init.py. This means that every directory inside of the Python path, which contains a file named init.py, will be treated as a package by Python. It's possible to put several modules into a package. In short, a directory must contain a file named init.py in order for Python to consider it as a package. Here are the example for import datetime. When we execute, it will return current date or today date. 5. Examples of Python libraries. These are the Python libraries which are 1. NumPy, 2. Pandas, 3. Matplotlib, 4. Seaburn, 5. SciPy, scikit-learn, Plotly, Beautiful Soup, Scrapy, and etc.